In the figure below, line segments BC and AD intersect at point E. If the measure of angle BAE is X, the measure of angle ABE is Y, and the measure of angle DCE is Z, find the measure of angle CDE in terms of X, Y, and Z. So we're supposed to find the measure of this angle in terms of these three letters, X, Y, Z, which are really numbers. Go ahead, see if you can solve this problem. If you can't, watch the video. So I would like to find the size of this angle. Let's call this angle D. I can call it anything I want. But since the capital letter D is here, I'm going to call it small d. That's the size of this angle. Now, the line segments AD and BC intersect at point E. That means these two angles are vertical angles and they are congruent. Now, this triangle AEB has three angles, X, Y, and this green angle. These three angles add up to 180, and the other triangle CDE also has these three angles, ZD, and this angle. These three angles also add up to 180. So look at this triangle. The three angles of this triangle add up to 180. The three angle of this triangle add up to 180. And if these two angles are the same, I can conclude the following. D plus Z is equal to X plus Y. You absolutely have to get this, how we are drawing this conclusion. We are drawing this conclusion based on two facts, that these two triangles are vertical angles and they're congruent, and sum of the three interior angles of any triangle is 180. So X plus Y has to equal 180 minus this green angle, and Z plus D also has to equal 180 minus this green angle. So they better be equal because the two green angles are equal. That's the explanation. Now I need to find the value of D, or express D in terms of X, Y, Z, which is pretty straightforward. D has to equal X plus Y minus Z. This is my answer. D is equal to X plus Y minus Z.